Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Django, you may encounter an attribute error. Module object has no attribute error when trying to access an attribute that doesn't exist in a module or object. This error typically occurs when you are trying to access an attribute that is not defined or misspelled. Here's a tutorial to help you understand and troubleshoot this error in Django. 1. Check the attribute name. Ensure that the attribute you are trying to access actually exists in the module or object. Check for typos or incorrect attribute names. 2. Import statements. Double-check your import statements to make sure you are importing the correct module or object that contains the attribute you are trying to access. 3. Module structure. If you are working with custom modules or packages, verify that the attribute is defined in the correct module and is accessible from where you are trying to access it. 4. Django models. When working with Django models, make sure that the attribute you are trying to access is a field that is defined in the model. Check your model definition for any missing or misspelled fields. 5. Code example. Here's an example that may trigger an attribute error. Module object has no attribute error in Django. In this example, if the product model does not have a field name title, you will get an attribute error. To fix this, you should use the correct attribute name, which is likely name based on the Django model definition. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and paying attention to attribute names and module structures, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve the attribute error. Module object has no attribute error in Django.